Okay, so you're probably here because of something like this, where you have a bunch of notes and it kind of runs into the title block or something. And it'd be nice if you could, you know, split this up into a couple columns. Good news is that you can do that, and it's pretty easy. If you zoom in here, you can see that there's a little squiggly line right here. Just go ahead and give that a click, and there we go. We have now two columns. Now, after you split that column up, you can go ahead and drag this slider, and it'll limit the height of that column. And you can see the text just kind of bounces over into the next one. Then you can go ahead and click on the break line again to make a third column. And of course, adjust the height of that additional column. Now my sheet notes have this extra line and a little symbol here, so I'm gonna just copy that over. And once more to the third column. There we go. Then I'm gonna grab this whole thing and move it onto the sheet properly. Journal notes have to move over as well. There we go. So that third column, any additional notes are gonna come underneath that. So I wanna make sure that I leave space underneath to give it room to populate additional notes as they come in. All right, that is it. Good luck, and I will see you in the next video.